excited to show you this. There's a few things here that are just, yeah, I think it's worth discussing. So this is the rolling journal, meaning that if you've already downloaded some of these books, what you can do, you can read through here, and we have 3 sections. This is the article by Klaus. So it's the first sentence, could also be the first paragraph, like you see here from Daniel. Depends what makes sense. Then we have the last sentence or the last paragraph at the bottom. This bit in the middle is AI generated key points from that article. Sometimes I've had to edit them down, but the point here is just to give the user a little bit more browsable opportunity to go through. It may even be better to have it on one page, because when I'm doing this, you see your eye goes between 2 pages. But anyway, what's special about this is a few things. Number one, let's say we're reading this one by Ewan Clayton. Click on 60, which is in hard brackets the citation, and I click on the title of the book. This is from the first Future of Text, and it opens to that page because we already had that page, that book downloaded. You can see if I go up here, it's one of the books it's suggested to have downloaded, so it's already in the reader library. But you'll notice there is no table of contents anymore, because the problem is that Vint and me appear first because we write the introduction, and then it's all alphabetical. So it's kind of arbitrary. So look at this. And this is what I've been doing the last few days. Huge book. This is just the first one. I haven't even finished yet. And here I'm looking at the special sessions and so on. Anyway, let's use the up arrow to go back. And here is this new thing that I just put in today. This is very arbitrary, and I would really appreciate your feedback. But the idea is that hopefully if you are using Reader, I'm sure it'll work similarly in another type of PDF reader. But let's say you're looking at this and you're interested in augmentation. You select augmentation, do Command F, and here you can see who's mentioned the word augmentation. Now please remember, this is only for the example of the first sentence, bullet points, and the last sentence, but you can jump to it here. Let's do who's talked about science. So it's a very easy way to jump around. I'm going to do hypertext here and scroll down. So we see Klaus again here, Christopher here. Let's click on Christopher. It highlighted, that's interesting. So now again, I can click here, and it opens on the right page in that book. It'll jump to the side now, it's reorganizing. And of course, when I'm in here, I can do the same thing. Facebook, Command F. This is what people have said about Facebook. So I'm just surprised at 2 things. I'm very happy with this, being able to jump to the book, because if you look at my desktop, sorry, it's a bit messy. The rolling PDF is only 1.1 megabytes, so it's actually emailable version, the overview of everything we have in the community. And the other thing about this that I just thought of, because I looked into color coding these words, and it's nice, but a lot of people have technologies. If you see the categories, technologies, media, text, knowledge, human society, human body, all mixed in. So we can still try it. But even this is pretty useful. Cognition, who's talking about the Adam, Gareth, and Timur? Oh, it's not interesting. I want to look at mental model. What do we got? Ah, no one in this. That's interesting. What about explore? API. Yeah. Who's talking about the Mac? Etc. Very easy to get lost in this. So here we have Wendy Hall. She wrote about fake news. Have a look at this. So yeah, trying to find different ways of letting the reader navigate our huge amount of contents, because otherwise there's not much point, is there? Anyway, thank you for looking at this. I really would appreciate some thoughts on what to put on this page or how to improve it.